Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. I
Yeah,
can hear you properly.
you can hear me properly?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. All right. And can you see me properly? So audio, video, everything's clear.
Yeah, yeah. Everything is clear now.
So hi Arushi, I'm Shambhavi. I'll be your speaker for today. And I believe this is the first time that we are meeting, right?
Your voice is like in this flow.
It's breaking.
It's up. It's up and down. I can hear you few words and then it's breaking.
Okay. So do you want me to leave and rejoin or something?
It's better now. We can start. It's quite better. Yeah.
Because my network is all right, so I don't know what's the problem. I'm really sorry about that.
Uh, don't know. Let's start. We'll see.
All right. So I was saying, I believe this is the first time that we are
Yes.
having,
Yes.
right?
This is our first session because you were not available. I mean, whenever I try to find your name in the tutor list, you were not available. And in this month's subscription, I just found your name, so I just booked your session. Sorry.
Yeah, I had taken some time off. But how did you find, like, how did you know my name?
Okay, so yeah, I know you through YouTube videos,
Oh,
and
yeah.
I think I have seen your tutorial or ad. I don't know what was that on Instagram maybe. That was I think advertisement of Clappingo. So yeah, I
Yeah.
saw there also.
Okay.
Yeah, obviously you're good tutor. I can say that. I mean, I have watched your videos and I thought that I should have a session with you.
Thank you so much. So, where are you from?
I am from Nagpur. Where are you from?
I'm from Bihar, Patna.
Bihar. Okay. I should not say this, but it's just coming into my mind that uh, by seeing you, it doesn't seem like you're from Bihar. Sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. I have heard this a lot. And I think
Yeah.
it's also because the way that Bihar is represented in our mainstream media, in our films, in our serials, that's not Bihar. So it's
Yeah, right.
very different in your life. And to experience the real Bihar or how the people are here in general,
Something like that. It just came into their mind. That's why.
yeah, it just comes into their
Or
mind.
yeah, it just come into their mind, or just language maybe. If they are using Bihari language, then they are Bihari. They are from Bihar only.
Yeah.
So that's why.
We do have a very different accent even when we are talking in Hindi.
Mm-hmm.
There's no Bihari language in particular. There are a lot of languages here in Bihar itself.
Okay.
So yeah, so there's Mathli, there's Bhojpuri, there are a lot of other languages. So our accent does come across as a little different than that of the mainstream Hindi accent. But yeah, I think everyone has like every state has a different tone, a different
Yeah.
dialect, a different accent.
Do you know Bihar? I mean, do you know the language of your state? And
I know
whatever language you use.
I know Mathli. It's my mother tongue. I'm not really fluent with it, but yeah, I can understand
I'm
it.
sorry to interrupt you, Shambhavi. I think you should leave the meeting and rejoin, please. I'm barely hear you.
Okay, okay, I'll do that. Just a second.
Let's see. It seems better, but I don't know. I don't know what's the issue actually.
Yeah, I mean, I checked my network. I switched my network also.
No, no, it's actually better now. Yeah, it's better.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So, yeah, where was I? I do know one of the languages. I mean, not
Mm-hmm.
fluent with it. I can understand it. I cannot speak it properly. My sentence formation is all over the place. But yeah,
Okay.
I
So,
do know.
what language do you use in your home? I mean, with
Hindi.
your parents? Hindi only.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Most of the people here converts in Hindi. Maybe in the rural, I'm Patna, which is the capital of Bihar. So
Yeah.
we talk in Hindi here. But in the rural areas, in my ancestral place, in my village, people speak English. I have grown up speaking in Hindi.
Okay, that's great. Then how is your English? Is it because you are using it since school, or
Yeah.
have you been? Oh,
So I caught up the habit of reading very early in my life. My parents, both of my parents love books. They are both avid readers. My brother is obsessed with books. So
wow.
I had a lot of books around me ever since I was a kid. So I would just see my brother's books and I would read them, and then my parents kind of figured out that okay, she's interested in reading, so then they got me books. And yeah, ever since then I have been reading a lot. Then I got the habit of watching things, series and movies and stuff. And,
So reading played a very important role.
yeah, very important. Yeah. And but more importantly, I think it was when I got interested in watching English series and movies and everything. There are a lot of
Yeah,
phrases that I picked up from different kinds of movies and series.
yeah, and we get to know the sentence framing as well from this series and movies, right?
Yeah.
Agree.
So what about you?
Recently,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, go on. You were saying something. Sorry to interrupt.
Recently, I have also started watching these movies and web series. So, yeah, I also think so. These are very helpful because we can frame sentences. We can recall just they have said for these things like this, so we can also use it. So, yeah,
Yeah.
it is helpful.
So what have you been watching recently?
I have been watching Vampire Diaries. Yeah,
Mm,
I have taken a break for short break, but yeah, I will continue soon.
right. I have not watched it yet. I mean, every one of my friends have watched it. My family, like a lot of my cousins have watched it, and they've all pressured me into watching it, but I have not had the time to.
It's interesting. It's quite interesting. One of the tutor told me that it's interesting till 5 seasons. Is it okay till 5 seasons?
Yeah.
One of the tutor told me.
Okay. That's not. I mean, yeah. It depends from person to person. Like a
Yeah,
lot of
right.
things. I
Interest also.
yeah, yeah. I am obsessed with Friends, and a lot of people told me that season 4 and 5 are the best seasons of Friends. But I love the first 3 seasons also. I watched and rewatched them multiple times.
Yeah, Friends is also interesting. I think I have watched 3 seasons, and yeah, it is interesting. Of
Yeah,
Friends.
really nice.
It's
I was
interesting.
obsessed with Friends. I still am. I still watch it.
Wow. Nice.
So we still do have some time. We have about 10 minutes. So do you want to talk about the topic, or do you want to go with the casual conversation that we're having?
Topic will be okay for me. We can talk about topic.
Yeah, it's very interesting actually. It's about the future. Something that
Future.
yeah, something that I think about a lot.
Future. No, then I'm opposite about it. I don't think about future a lot because you know what I believe is the the more we plan, the more it fails. I mean, it's
Yeah,
better not, right? So it's better not to plan and just go with the flow. That's what my mantra is.
just
I
to
would
live
like to
in
go
the
with
present.
the flow.
Yeah,
Sorry.
to live in the present is what you
Yeah,
think.
exactly. I mean, just thinking about the future and just being, I'm very overthinker, frankly speaking, and that is the reason I just stop thinking about future because whenever I think about future, I just forget to live my present moments and so many things. So I have stopped thinking about future things.
Yeah, even I think that we spend more time thinking about the future than actually working on it. Like actually moving forward, and we spend so much time planning. We don't even know if any of it is going
Yeah.
to come true, like ever.
Right, right, right. I mean, we just plan things, but we don't know whether it will get executed or not.
Exactly.
But we waste not waste, but we invest most of the time in planning about future things and
Yeah.
what to do in future plans. So yeah, and most of the time, future plans get failed. I mean, that's what happened with me. Whenever I plan something, it just fails, and whenever I just do randomly anything without any planning, then it just gets succeed. So yeah,
It's the
I
same.
don't think about
It's
future.
literally the same with me. And when I tell this to my friends, they're all like, what, like, what the other thing is, this does not happen. I'm like, no, it does happen, I swear. There are no,
Yes.
it is bound to fail. So, whenever I find myself thinking too much about something that has not yet happened, I just stop, like, I have to stop myself from doing it. Like, don't think about it, it's my fault, don't think about it.
Yeah, exactly. And whenever we are just sitting idle or not doing anything, we get lots of thoughts, especially about future. If I'm not wrong, when we are going to sleep, and we are not feeling sleepy at all, but we just decided that today I'm going to sleep early and I'm not using my phone, then lots of thoughts will come into my mind about future, what will happen and what not. So then I just feel like no, it should not be like this. I just take my phone and start watching something as
Yeah,
usual.
yeah, it's the opposite for me. When I'm trying to sleep, I think of embarrassing moments that have happened in the past. And I don't know, my brain just works that way. I think of that one time I did something embarrassing and I just be embarrassed to sleep. So, okay, but this is like, okay, so what you can do is I'll give you three words, okay?
Hmm.
You think, okay, then tell me how do you think these three things are going to change in the future if they are going
Okay.
to change at all?
Yeah.
Pollution. How do you think that? What, yeah, so like, what will it be like 3 years from now?
Pollution is already a very big issue or problem in today's life. So if we're talking about future, it will obviously get increased. Pollution will be the biggest issue if we don't work on this now. So yeah, pollution will be like everywhere there will be pollution, and we will not be able to go out of the houses, and we have to stay inside because of the pollution. We have to take care of our skin more. We will need more fresh air. So yeah, pollution is something like we have to work to stop pollution right now. Otherwise, it will be the biggest issue in future.
Yeah, yeah. And people just don't get it. Like we know because we have studied about it, we have observed it. But when we tell people to not, let's just say, to not use this, use much, use the usage, or maybe to not throw, like, to not use plastic.
Yeah.
It makes no sense to them.